Jello Beats, holla at me.
This that brick talk, that brick talk. Young can show you how to get it when your chips out. Soon as it touchdown, them birds lift off. Bitch, I be on it, bitch ass, I get these bricks off. Ayy, fuck niggas get fucked over. Bitch niggas pussy, same color as my soda. Young nigga hustling, trap get the rocket. Soda hit that Yola and that circle get the locket. 25 a block, touchdown, bust down. Turn a nigga city to a playground. What now? Plugs on my line, bout to ship it out east. Young niggas getting it, cooking up the whole key. Squares on the table, I'm just adding up the profit. The stamp in the middle, so it's official what we copy. Post up, get a close up, that what the feds do. They won't catch me with shit, all the issues sent through. This that brick talk, that brick talk. Young can show you how to get it when your chips out. Soon as it touchdown, them birds lift off. Bitch, I'm on it, bitch ass, I get these bricks off. Get the whole thing, I'll get your bust down. I'ma show you how to flush it when it touchdown. Yeah, this that brick talk, that brick talk. I'm talking numbers if I ever let these bricks walk. 100 bricks in the attic, hit it for the garage. I load them up and I tell them to get the fuck out of Dodge. I don't do no consigns, tell them bitches I charge. Bitch, I'm blind when it come to money, pay my faces in large. Nigga said I'm the gutter, tell them bitches I'm lower. I once was lost in the kitchen, till I found that soda. I let this wrist go to whipping, yeah that white Coca-Cola. And if this block was a bitch, tell her follow, I show her. In this concrete jungle, I got blocks like babies. In the school full of hustlers, navigating Mercedes. Yeah, this trapper was born, quarter ounce in my diaper. Always something crawling slow, on the grill is a sniper. This that brick talk, that brick talk. Young can show you how to get it when your chips out. Soon as it touchdown, them birds lift off. Bitch, I'm on it, bitch ass, I get these bricks off. Get the whole thing, I'll get your bust down. I'ma show you how to flush it when it touchdown. Yeah, this that brick talk, that brick talk. I'm talking numbers if I ever let these bricks walk. Yeah.
It's that brick talk, I'm about to chill up 14. Add 11 to soda, cover my face for the steam. See, I do this for the team, I never need a triple beam. Sighted with that palm by the gritters, know what I mean. Niggas gotta come straight to us if they wanna scope. Just drop one and still got 35 more to go. You can catch me in your neighborhood trapping and stop and go. Hit the drop, hit the block on a bitch and I stop a show. Same nigga that'll play with them switches and hop a foe. These niggas tryna do it like me, they got to go. One shot, one kill, that's all a young nigga know. Big batches of that white bitch, that's all a young nigga scout. I get the best work in, that's how I keep up my ego. Triple mine in the drought, 36 for a kilo. Ain't the proper percentage, I send gorillas to repo. Fresh out the house full of bricks, tell them call it Trap Depot. It's that time Montana, asshole no manners. Keep a plug in the valley, connect my flight to Atlanta. Get this money like Chase, put them smokers on base. Half a hit of Yola guaranteed to lock up your face. Whole team full of rappers, I ain't talking about rapping, talking rapping them bricks. Self-employed by trapping, yeah my life is a movie, call it goons by the action. If you're late to the drop, bitch nigga we taxin'.
This that brick talk, that brick talk. Young can show you how to get it when your chips out. Soon as it touchdown, them birds lift off. Bitch, I'm on it, bitch ass, I get these bricks off. Get the whole thing, I'll get your bust down. I'ma show you how to flush it when it touchdown. Yeah, this that brick talk, that brick talk. I'm talking numbers if I ever let these bricks walk. Yeah.